Hi, it's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and we are here at a new acquisition in Charlotte, right in Shamrock Hills. And I am with the owner, the previous owner today, Miss Cynthia Clausell.
Hello, how are you?
So Cynthia, tell us about the property, why you decided to sell it.
The property I've had for now about 14 years. And I've always wanted to rehab this particular property, and I had imagined certain things, but then my situation changed, and so I was already involved with fortune builders, and I said, oh, this is the time to do exactly what I'm preaching. And so I called Joanna, and I knew she was the one I wanted to handle this. I like her style. I like the fact that she can get the job done quickly and easily. And I would be able to learn quite a bit if I fell under her wing and let her mentor me. So that's how this all came about. The tenant moved because he outgrew the house, and didn't take long, we were done.
Yeah. So Cynthia is an investor as well. This was her rental property, so she was a landlord, and at that, a tired landlord. She got sick of her tenants, and that's why she's selling it to me. So that makes Cynthia a wholesaler, and this is her first wholesale deal. Did you make good on it?
Made good on it.
Awesome. So Cynthia's going to be shadowing me on this project, and she's had some ideas that we've been able to incorporate in the plan. So this home is currently a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home, all brick rancher, and it has a nice size backyard that's fenced in. This is a nice quiet neighborhood. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, so this living room is already a really nice sized living room, but we're gonna make it even bigger. So we're gonna be knocking down this wall that separates the living room from what is currently the kitchen. Now, because I now live in Charlotte and I do business here, I had to try to build a new team, but guess what? There's no team like my original team. So I had to bring in my Richmond designer to create the plans for me, and that really stretched my capabilities. So now I actually did all the measuring for this house. He never showed up here. We did everything virtually and came up with these new plans for the layout of this property. So we're going to be changing a lot of things. We're taking down this main wall in the living room that will open it up to what will become the dining room. We're opening up some walls in one of the bedrooms to create a true master bedroom with a master bathroom suite. And then we're taking a half bath and we're turning it into a full bath for the main house. So a lot of changes happening here. We're putting a big deck on the back and closing in one of the back patio spaces to add more square footage and more usability. So let's take a look at the plans. So a lot of changes will be happening in this kitchen/dining room area, and many of those ideas came from you, Cynthia. So tell us what you had dreamt of doing.
Well, because I've owned the property for so long, and whenever I thought about it, I had actually considered living here myself one day. And so if I had lived here, I knew I would need to make some changes. So mentally, I went through what would have to be done to accommodate me. And my big thing was this kitchen layout. I saw a lot of potential in one, as you mentioned, taking down the wall to make it flow. And then I thought it would be nice to have the kitchen closer to the plumbing in the bathroom. And since that would no longer be the kitchen, it would be the dining room, then all of that would be right there together. All your plumbing would be together. And then the kitchen would actually become a little bit smaller, and you could widen that bathroom. And that was about all I got to. I had the deck in mind, and I had the laundry room in mind, but that was about as far as I got. Therefore, that's why you were important. I was stuck.
Well, it seems like we made a great team because we are actually moving the kitchen to where the dining room is now, and the dining room will be over here, which will be open to the living room. That creates kind of the same size kitchen, because we're going to close off the entry door into this what is currently the dining room and open up that space. We'll have a similar size kitchen, but it'll be white and nice and open, so it'll look even bigger than the current one does. Also, we will be taking this is the door to the back patio. So we'll be removing this door and closing in the back patio, which is going to give us more square footage. Currently, the laundry is outside, so you have to go outside and into kind of a storage room to do your laundry, but we're going to make this all one closed in space that is heated and cooled and adding to the square foot. It'll add about 80 square feet, but that's more than it had, and it'll be so much more functional. And then right off the patio, we'll have a 10 by 16 deck open to a nice sized backyard. So this is a nice wide hallway, but there's a lot of wasted space coming off of this hallway. For example, we have the return vent there, which we are taking out. We're going to put all of the HVAC unit upstairs in the attic, so that will free up some wall space. But most importantly, here we have a linen closet here. We have a linen closet, another closet at the end, too much closet space. And then moving on further, this is the opening to the bathroom, which is a huge hallway and just a waste of square footage. And there's another linen closet on the outside of the bathroom. So we're going to be closing in this entire area, and that is going to become the master bathroom suite. So this is the smallest bedroom currently, and if you can imagine, it's going to get a little bit smaller so that we make space for the full bathroom that's going in right beside it. So we're going to be taking a little bit of that wall to make room for a tub in the full bath. This is currently the master bedroom. It is the biggest bedroom, but it's considered the master because it has a half bath attached to it. And let me tell you, that half bathroom is basically a closet. And that is going to become the foundation for our full bathroom that we're adding. So we'll be taking out the closet of this bedroom and stretching that down to the hallway entry to create that full bath. So this is what will become the master bedroom. Here we have a huge closet there that we're going to split into and widen because we're taking out the linen closet from the hallway. And so that'll create the closet for the old master, create the closet for the new master. Here will be our entry to the master bathroom suite. It's currently just a hallway and the full bath. And we'll have another closet here for the master bedroom. So two big closets in the master bedroom and entry into their own private bathroom. So this is currently the entry into the full bath and the full bath. You can see that linen closet on the side, which makes the third linen closet. And then the full bath, the only one in the house, has a shower, a single vanity, and a toilet. All right, so here in the backyard, this is a nice size backyard. Right here is where we'll be adding the deck. You can see that HVAC unit takes up a lot of space. We have a nice neighborly dog wants to say hello. But that deck will be 10 by 16, so it's going to take up a lot of the backside. And then over here, this will all be closed in. It's where the new laundry room, utility room will be housed, as well as nice French doors opening up to the patio. All right, so here in the backyard, we also have this monstrous shed behind us. That shed has some electrical to it, and it's just all coming down. It's of no use to us. It's in bad shape. It's coming all the way down.